Demon youth. You come throw stone from poor people because them tell you to put on crop top. Because that is supposed to be the influence.
I am from a political family. I know what it is to go out and do 10 seconds of work just to film it and then go home at your yard.
You can like uno so straight, like wall one Batman and kick him down yet.
Why? Pause. No, Diddy. Blaze the fire. The righteous fire. Yeah, man, blessings. Monday again, new week. Give thanks for life. And with that, no time to linger. Today we have World Dog back at him always, you know. But before that, we run into Kartel defending the future performance of his Freedom Show versus some fans, especially this one gentleman, serious critiques. And, seemed to be truthful, from the angle that we're seeing him come from. It reminded me of the recent Mike Tyson event, the fight we're going last Friday, if anybody was tuning in or even hear it on the news. Mike Tyson was 2 years short of 60. The man was 58. Facing a young boxer in them 20s, Young boxer. Yeah, but, high knockout rate, very dangerous guy. But during the promotions, they would show Vybz Kartel. Well, they would show Mike Tyson. Similarly to Vybz Kartel, some short bursts. Promotion video, you see him hitting the pad, pam, pam, pam. And then him stop and breathe, and you don't see him walking around the ring or nothing. Similar to how you see them put out the Vybz Kartel video the other day. But, as expected, when the fight night come, he wasn't the man. I mean, the guy could knock him out or bully him. But age-wise, he couldn't move on his foot to even come close to knocking out the guy. Probably had the power and the skills to, but not the legs to catch the guy. And the performance would have, eventually showed that. Him never really ready for perform, but at 20 million, him get paid for the show, the young boy get 40 million, and a whole part of millions make. For be able to pay 60 million, you know how much million make already. So, crazy millions. So the show had to go on, whether he was ready to, put on a good show for the fans or not. And likewise, with this Kartel thing. So, we're going to listen to the fan. And right after, we don't say nothing, we're going to hear Vybz Kartel, defend him thing and say, show how the performance is nothing for him to achieve. And in the comment section, you can let me know what you think, what you think in terms of him ready, him not ready. Is this a money grab? Is this him just, putting on a show because he might get paid over $500,000 US, but they're not turning down that even if they know them can't do it, So, I could look in, I could hear what the brother have to say.
Tell me never want to say nothing, but your little video clip look good. Your rehearsal look good. But remember, say, I am from a political family. I know what it is to go out and do 10 seconds of work just to film it and then go home at your yard. Let them think a politician are do enough work. That is filming. That is show business. Scatterbarrel, yeah, push the show too. But you're only a showman. Scatterbarrel, me remember you from Celestial Studio way back in them days there with your brother when you used to drive the old car come a Celestial and I try to start it back up to go home. But Scatterbarrel, you can't fool me because you trying to sell a show. I don't blame you for that because it's all about perception. You're talking about hours of music with 10-second clip. Do it on a live. Let us know it is true. 10 seconds don't really impress me. Jumping up and down in a little shots. But Scatterbarrel, remember say a whole heap of music me record with your father, Fatis Burrell, Exterminator labels, the big man. Me know him ways them and me know your ways them. So putting out a 10-second clip and then try to push a show. Say him have hours of music.
Greatest team assemble. It's like the Avengers. December 31st. National Stadium. Remember that. More expensive than Palladium. We not do uranium. JJ. Oh, see them. She not see them. Spark boss. Oh.
Yes, people, so you hear what the brother have to say. You can see the similarities what I say with the Mike Tyson event. And also you were cartel officer. And, you know, similarly to the Mike Tyson situation, I have to say, more make for say anything. And it would be great if he put on a great performance. I'm not bad mind the thing. It would be very good if it's a good performance. But grave disease is not a joke matter. And the lifestyle where I live right now don't really, you know, show that improvements been made, you know. I want to sing on him try to perform one day and drop down, you know, not even 10 seconds in. Him say the heat, but the big show got hot too, so I could see people, I could say it's an interesting little thing, but I could see. And before we go, you know, we have World Dog, as we promised before, back to his old ways, old tic-tac fishy ways. Yeah, man, defending Swiss-Lee and the crop top wearing with some low IQ reply to the people. Make him sound like him a wobble too, you know? And as usual, them bringing this money thing. For you know, rich, you're not supposed to have an opinion. So because you have money, only poor people don't understand, say, only poor people don't understand, say, him can't wear a crop top. People make it make sense, you know? Really make it make sense. Because you really can't. But who would have taken the Swiss Lee part already? I may get the World Dog part right now. If not, you can go watch one of the video them where cover the Swiss Lee defend himself on the crop top. Too much fishery for one
so
video that.
straight. I me never see one Batman coming in one club and walk out yet. I me know if you don't want to fuck the girl and the girl a part one Batman, me know we not go around the blood clot girl same way. But me never ever see one straight Jamaican like who know so straight like wall one Batman and kick him down yet. Like me literally never see who know wall a batty boy and kick him down yet in a foreign. Say hey batty boy and kick him down. Me never really saw no do that yet. And if uno say this a batty country, why uno in a batty country? Sometimes uno have to know when I talk, you know.
Yes, people, this was a fast one. Thanks for viewing. Yeah, man, please like, subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section, whether you agree with me or disagree with me, or just a drop of support. One love, manners, respect, honorable.